Hi, I'm Eric Van Ruff, owner of Wilderness Auto Service and Chevron in Maple Valley. Here at Wilderness Auto Service, we pride ourselves in taking care of every customer's needs. Just drive on in and come see us. We can handle most any kind of repair or maintenance service on your vehicle. Our ASE Certified Technicians have the knowledge and experience to work on nearly any car or truck, whether it's foreign or domestic. You can also take advantage of our mini store and pick up all kinds of snacks and drinks. We have a great selection of craft beers, perfect for putting your feet up and relaxing when you get home. We are also your UHaul truck and trailer rental location for Maple Valley. If you're moving or hauling something, we can fix you up with whatever is going to fill your needs. We have propane for your RV or barbecue. And of course, we have great Chevron gasoline. So let us make you happy. Stop by Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley. You'll be glad you did.